The one topic on every teacher's mind is, how can I teach my students more effectively? I've also asked myself this question, and as a result decided to focus my research on helping myself and other math teachers improve student learning outcomes through educational technology. Increasingly, we live in a digital world where technology have improved the speed and the convenience of every part of our life. My intentions with my research were to help teachers better leverage digital teaching tools in order to bring teaching into the 21st century. The status quo for high school teachers is little change from classrooms at the turn of the century, yet there has been over 100 years of progress in displaying and visualizing information. Therefore, there's tremendous opportunity for teachers to improve their teaching methods through improved teaching tools. In short, my literature review examined the effectiveness of distance learning, private school portals, real-time pooling, and math-specific applications. My research found that there's mixed results with regards to what teaching technology is effective. And just because a teacher can implement a teaching technology does not necessarily mean that they should. For instance, distance learning increased the risk of failure for students with low intrinsic motivation. Conversely, teachers leveraging math-specific application have been found to be effective. For example, use of a graphing application helps students understand mathematical functions more intuitively. One math-specific application that I encountered during my research is Desmos. Desmos is a free graphing application that democratizes access to a graphing calculator. Tools like these give students the power to visualize mathematical concepts. In summary, my research highlighted the synergy that develops when teachers utilize technology to teach students. However, simply giving students an access to a teaching tool is not enough. Students must be guided with the help of a teacher in order to achieve higher levels of understanding. Some of the takeaways of my research are, firstly, teachers should be trained on how to best use the new teaching tool in order to get the best student learning outcomes for any given technology. Secondly, technologies that facilitate communication between teachers and students have been found to aid student learning. Additionally, it was more effective when teachers incorporated student feedback into using the teaching tool. Lastly, student learning outcomes ultimately depended on students' own intrinsic motivation. As a result, the future directions of my academic inquiry will involve looking into ways to improve students' own intrinsic motivation. This is one of the key factors in student success and improving retention of information.